Today we will be cutting the lawn real short to begin ryegrass overseed in Texas. You still have time, go ahead and start now. Temperatures need to be low enough so the seed can grow in Texas. First step will be to mow your main grass very low. Make sure it has a bagger to collect the grass. Wow, when I said there would be a lot of dead grass, yup, it filled up half of my green can. Next step in the process, you guys, is to spike the soil a bit to loosen it up. In Texas, it gets hot during the season, so the heat would make the dirt very tight. Do this to help your grass seed latch onto your dirt. Next step is to put a fresh layer of topsoil on your existing soil. This will help enrich the quality of the dirt before you put grass seed. Go buy this one from Home Depot as it's pretty cheap to buy. It's like $2 or $3 a bag. So buy as many as you need to just put a fine layer down. Almost done, you guys, but first let me clean up the mess I made. 1 second while I do this. Sad to see it like this, but don't worry you guys, it will be back to beautiful dark green soon. I would say a few weeks depending on weather temperatures. Yay, now for the best part. Now is the time to put down your fall grass seed of choice. You can choose from bluegrass, tall fescue, or my favorite, ryegrass. This year I'm using dark 30 ryegrass, which I ordered in advance. It's supposed to be the darkest blend so far. We'll find out soon. Can't forget this step. You can use a rake or a metal rake like I'm using, and comb through lightly all through your lawn to ensure your seed has good contact with the fresh soil you put down. This is very, very, very important. Watch me while I do this. Now, this is optional, but if you want, you can add a protective netting to keep the pesky birds from trying to eat your seed. Trust me, they will try. Or if you want, you can buy some peat moss and lightly toss it on top of your seed to provide protection, and it helps with moisture control. For the last step, don't forget to water. This goes without saying, but can't stress it enough. Water, water, water. If you want your seed to germinate or grow into grass, make sure you keep it moist, which may take up to 3 watering sessions a day. Do not forget and be ready to pay the water bill.